I have the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus here, and today I'm going to show you how to look at your notifications from the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S10, the Galaxy S10 Plus, and the Galaxy S10e. Now this is a bit different since Google launched, I believe it was Android 5.0 Lollipop. They started to show the notifications on the lock screen. This removed the ability to have widgets on the lock screen, which made a lot of people upset. But since so many people unlock their device specifically for looking at their notifications, this was overall a good move for Google and Android as a mobile operating system. Now, a lot of people still do not like to see their notifications displayed on the lock screen. So in previous versions of Samsung devices and previous versions of Samsung's version of Android, they have gone with that style. They have gone with that implementation of showing the notifications on the lock screen of their devices. However, they always had an option built into the software that would let you hide those notifications on the lock screen. And if you've gone through any of the previous tutorials I've made on Samsung devices, you've seen the tutorials that I've done to show you how to stop showing notifications on the lock screen. And it seems that's actually a popular feature because Samsung has set that by default on the Galaxy S10, the Galaxy S10 Plus, and the Galaxy S10e, along with devices that are using their latest version of Android. So I want to show you, like, by default, you can see I have a bunch of notifications here. And whenever we go to the lock screen, usually those notifications would appear there and you could take action on there. However, when you look at the lock screen, there's no notification cards there like we're used to seeing on Android devices. Now, if I take a Google Pixel, I have the Google Pixel 2 XL, the lock screen notifications are still showing even on Android Q. So this isn't a change that's happening with Android as a whole, it's just something that Samsung has done to their software. So you don't see any notifications here. However, underneath the time and the date, you will see some icons for your current notifications. And to view these notifications on the lock screen, all we have to do is tap on any of those icons. So as you can see here, we have a clean lock screen, which is very nice. However, if we tap on one of those icons, then it will show you the notifications we have on our device. Not only do we have the notifications on screen now, but we also have the quick settings panel. Again, we're not going to see this information on the lock screen normally. We have to tap those buttons, those notification app icons, in order to display and even act upon specific notifications. So again, just a quick tutorial to show you how things have changed in Samsung's latest version of Android and on the latest smartphones that they're selling to view the notifications on the lock screen even though they're not fully there by default.